Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel, Let's Talk Stocks. So I wanted to do a quick update video on NEO just to go through a couple of things and to see how the stock's performing over the last few days. So if we start off by looking at the week graph, you can see that it started at $42 a share and it's just gradually gone down as the week's gone on. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, and you can see it's leveled out around the $35 a share mark. It's had a little bit of a spike again when the market first opened today, but then it's gone back down a little bit again. So let me flick over to some of the recent news. You can see that the factories have shut down for 5 days due to a global chip shortage. Now, the main thing to remember is this news is affecting all EV stocks at the moment. Yes, it appears negative, but like I said, you can see by the headline, it's a global chip shortage, so it's not just affecting NEO. The only reason it's kind of been main news for NEO is the fact that they've announced they're going to close their factory for a few days. But you have got to remember, this is affecting all EV stocks. As you can see, they've all had a bit of a dip over the last week or so. So I'll leave this article in the description so you can have a read for yourself. But basically, it hasn't really affected them too much. They're expecting to deliver 20,500 cars, between 20,000 and 20,500 cars. And now they're saying within the first quarter, they're only going to deliver 19,500. I say only, that is way above the sales figures from a lot of their competitors. So it's only going to affect them by 500 cars or so. So really, it's not a big impact long term. Like I said, I'll leave the article in the description so you can have a read through. If I flick over now to JP Morgan's price target, their price target is unchanged. They're still saying it's going to be a $70 per share price target by the end of this year, which is great news because it's showing that although they're closing down for 5 days, it's not going to have an impact on their end of year targets. So this is good news. Again, it's just showing you that this is a great buying opportunity. If you was to buy now at around $35 a share, by the end of the year, if this price target's hit, you're going to double your money. So it's still a great company. Like I've said before, if you've done your due diligence and you're happy, then there's nothing to worry about. You should just be buying the dips to average down your holdings. Those of you that have got Twitter, feel free to follow me on there. It's neo_news, and I retweet and post news daily covering all things NEO. I've also got a link on there to my Telegram group, which has over 300 people in there now. It's a very active group. Everyone's discussing the stock and discussing news, so it's a very good place to be in to hear news as soon as it's announced. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you've done. Are you still holding? Are you averaging down, or have you sold? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.